Hi, my name is Joe Withrow. I'm the author of 2 books, The Individual is Rising and Musings of a Wayward Philosopher. I'm also the editor of the Journal of a Wayward Philosopher series, which is published weekly at Zenconomics.com. And I'll be your host for this course, Finance for Freedom. Master your finances in 30 days. What's unique about this course is that it weaves the topics of money, finance, and economics together in a logical manner that gives you a solid, fundamental understanding of the subjects. The course then presents specific strategies that anyone can implement to leverage their understanding. To my knowledge, this is the only medium that aggregates all of this information in one place in a logical and actionable way. I am super excited about this course as it represents years of independent study, analysis, and implementation. All of the information presented in this course is verifiable, and I've personally implemented each financial strategy suggested. This course begins with a thorough examination of money and monetary history. You can't have finance without money, so it is critical that we understand what money is, where it's been, and where it comes from. As you'll discover in this section of the course, money is not the static functionary that we tend to think it is. Money has a very interesting story to tell, and we would be wise to listen to that story so that we can optimize our finances accordingly. The next section of the course is dedicated to my mantra, maximize capital, minimize crap. This section is all about becoming money conscious and understanding financial statements. If you internalize and implement the concepts in this section, then you will be able to master your finances in 30 days and ultimately achieve financial freedom. The next section of the course analyzes prominent macroeconomic trends. The economics textbooks present the economy as a black and white, unchanging structure that can be neatly modeled. This is a fallacy, and this section of the course will show you why. The economy is a confluence of individual human actors, each seeking to satisfy diverse and constantly changing needs and wants. The economy cannot be statistically modeled simply because humans cannot be statistically modeled. We're just too moody, and we change our minds way too much to be statistically predictable. For this reason, it is extremely important to understand the prominent macroeconomic trends so that we can structure our affairs and our finances accordingly. The next section of the course is all about building wealth. This section will go over the concept called asset allocation. We'll analyze each asset class in detail. We'll show you how to set up a personalized asset allocation model and how to implement each specific asset into your model. We'll then cover a very powerful investment strategy called the beta investment strategy. The final section of the course is all about financial escape velocity. This might be the most exciting section to me. The previous section was all about how to manage and deploy your income in order to build lasting wealth. The section on financial escape velocity is all about how to scale your income so that you can further grow your capital base. As you can see, this course is comprehensive in nature. If you are new to finance, then this course will work from the bottom up to help build a solid fundamental understanding of the subjects. The course then presents actionable financial strategies that anyone can implement. If you are already well seasoned in finance, this course will present the topics from a unique perspective and maybe show you a few techniques and ideas that you hadn't considered previously. Before we go any further, I need to define a term that I use frequently throughout the course. When I talk about financial freedom, I am talking about creating a scenario in which you are free to spend your time engaged in projects and activities that are fulfilling and meaningful to you. Basically, financial freedom means that you have either reduced your need for constant income or that you have automated income streams such that you are not dependent upon traditional employment. Financial freedom means you no longer need to trade your time for money. It does not mean that you never need to work again. This only comes about by building a sizable asset portfolio and building a significant capital base. This leaves you free to work when and how you want, be it entrepreneurial endeavors, advanced investment strategies, or what have you. We'll discuss this in much more detail in that section of the course. So in the next section, I'm going to breeze through my background just so you have an idea of the experiences that have shaped my unique perspective. Then we'll dive right in.